Hey, hello friends. Welcome to my channel SAP SD and ABAP leak support. In earlier sessions, we discussed about important fields in VBAK and VBAP. Today, we will go through the important fields in VBRK, billing document header table. Okay, so the first field is a primary key. You see, the color of this first field is different comparing to the other fields. So the first field is billing document field where we can see that invoice numbers here, and the field here is that VBELN. So the same field available in VBAK, VBAP, VBEP, right? So many tables we are using this WebLAN field. So different tables having different values as per the transaction. And the next one is that FKART. FKART is nothing but the billing types like F2, F8, F5, intercompany cancelled invoice that will be identified with the help of this field FKART. And coming to the billing category, that is FTYP, sorry, FKTYP. So billing category determines that. So what kind of billing it is? Is it an order related billing or delivery related billing? Third party sales that can be identified with the help of this billing category. And coming to the next one, VBTYP. So VBTYP we can see in VBAK as well. So this will be indicating the document category for that billing type. So every billing type has their own document category. So if I open the other table, that is TVAK. Yeah, so TVAK is for sales document type controls. So here also we can see that VBTYP. You see this one? So the length of this one is one character, and now it has been increased in S4 HANA. The length has been increased. Okay, so we know that, right? For a standard order, OR, then document category will be C, inquiry A, quotation B, like that. If F2 invoice means that will be M, and cancellation of F2 means N, O means credit memo, P means debit memo. Like this, VBTYP in VBRK also mentions the same values only. And the next one is the document currency, that is a WAERK. And the next one is sales organization, that is a VKORG. We can see the same VKORG in VBAK as well. VKORG, you see VKORG here also we can see that. And VKORG is nothing but sales organization. VTWEG is a distribution channel, and KALSM pricing procedure. Same thing we can see in VBAK as well, right? KALSM. And KNUMB is nothing but document condition number. So in order to see the pricing for that particular invoice, then we should pass that document condition number for that invoice to the KONV table. And we know that in S4 HANA, KONV table is obsolete. So KONV replaced by another table, PRCD underscore elements. We discussed about this table earlier. I'm just reminding you that. And the next one is the shipping condition, that is a VSBED. And in VBAK also, we can see in VBAK table, we can see VSBED. Same field we can see in VBRK as well. FKDAT. This is nothing but billing date field. It's an billing date field. And coming to Belnar. So Belnar will be relevant to the accounting end, finance end. So this is one of the link between invoicing tables, I mean billing doc, I mean sorry, accounting tables. We have so many accounting tables are there, right? BSEG, BKPF, BSID, right? So to make the link between VBRK and accounting tables, this is the field link VB, sorry, Belner. And coming to GJAHR, it's an fiscal year. So these things are used in case of an financial accounting posting. So this field values might be required when we try to search something in finance related tables for that particular invoice. And coming to the price group, that is Konda, same thing we can see in VBAK as well. Okay, we not VBAK, I think VBKD we can see that. Yeah, in VBKD we can see the price group and the customer group. So you see VBKD also we have customer group KDGRB. Here also have that. And the price list is nothing but PL TYP field. And in co 1, in co 2, in co 1 means in co terms, in co 2 means in co terms 2, right? And export, if the transaction is relevant for export sales, then here we can see some value getting updated, that is expkz. This is a field, remember this. And important field that we should remember in VBRK is that RFBSK. So if you want to write any logic based on the posting status, so posting has been done for the invoice or not. If posting has been completed for that invoice, then how the logic should behave. If that is not completed, then how the logic should behave. This kind of logic can be written based on the RFBSK table. There is a standard routine 62 available in that output controls, invoice output controls. In that routine also, it is key the routine carrying this mm, field validation RFBSK. If it is not equal to C, then output won't trigger, right? So if it is C means accounting document has been generated, and in any other cases, if it means there is an error in that generating the accounting document. So remember this important field RFBSK. And coming to this KURRF, this is for exchange rate accounting. And let me move further. Okay, it's hanged. 1 second. Once again, friends, system is stuck. I'm trying to recover it. Okay, let me log in one more time. System is back online. Okay, so we have discussed so far KURRF. Let me go further. And you see GTEM. So we can see GTEM in VBKD table also. So here also we can see GTEM and payment method, that is ZLSCH. And one more important thing is that KTGRD, account assignment group for customer. This is KTGRD is used to determine the GL account determination, right? It's one of the key parameter in revenue account determination. KTGRD. And land one, the destination country, region REGIO for region, and country code COUNC, city code CITC, and company code Bucras BUKRS, this one. And we have tax classification, we have customer tax classification from 1 to 9. And same thing we can see in VBAK table also. In VBAK table also we can see this customer tax classification from 1 to 9, the field starting from tax K1 to till tax K9. And the net value, the field is NETWR. The net value of the invoice will be stored in this field only. And one more critical and important field relevant to invoice split, that is JUKRI, ZUKRI. In our previous sessions, we discussed several times about this field, the importance of this field, right? So it's a combination criteria, that is nothing but Jukri field. And Ernam, we see this in VBAK, VBAP, VBPA. Every table we can see this Ernam. Ernam means created by, and ERZDT means time, and update group. Okay, and you see this one pair. Pair will be stored in the field KUNRG. Coming to Sol to party, that is KUNAG. And if you want to see the VAT registration number in that invoice, the field here is that STCEG. So in my project, I get a frequent requests to update the VAT number in the invoices, already created invoices. The reason here is that during creation of the customer, business mistakenly not updated that VAT number in that customer, and eventually order delivery invoice everything has been created, but in VBRK this field is blank. After all the transaction has been created, customer realized that it's missing, so they have updated that in customer master level. So VAT number update in the customer master level, but still that won't reflect in invoices, already created invoices. So the changes done in customer master will be reflected in the future invoices only. For the past ones where it is missing, we need to go to debug change mode and modify that field. And ADAT is for changed on and cancel a billing document. This is nothing but an SFA KN. So here we can see that suppose I'm canceling one billing document F2. The cancellation billing document type is S1, right? So in S1 billing document number, if you pass in VBRK table, here you can see that can the parent F2 invoice which has been cancelled. So this will be storing that original invoice number for the cancelled billing types. And agreement number can be seen in this field KNUMA. And coming to the finance related activities, KKBER, that is credit control area. And for the payer account, that is credit account, that is KNKLI. And in case of an intercompany sales, that is this trading partner will play a key role here. VBUND. So remember this field VBUND, VBUND. And coming to finance related account postings, you see this field XB LNR reference and ZUONR. So these two fields will be determined based on the copy control setup only. The copy controls will be maintaining the reference assignment also. So there it will be determined. And MWB is nothing but that tax amount. FKSTO is, so this is a FKSTO. This is a character one. It's a one character length field. So whenever we cancel any of the invoices, for that invoice we see X here. If X is there means this field, that invoice has been already cancelled. So remember this field FKSTO. Yeah, apart from this, I don't see any other fields are that much critical or important. Hope this video will be very helpful to you friends. We will meet in the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye for now.